Hi, today we're going to be cooking some MAHI infused lamb steaks, and we're using the MAHI Chops Marinade, fantastic with lamb or any red meat. So we're going to start off by putting marinade into the lamb. I'm just going to give that a little bit of a mix and a bit of a stir around there. Right, alongside our MAHI infused lamb steaks, we're going to have some seasonal vegetables. We've got some asparagus here. Just going to chop the ends of that asparagus off. We've got some red onion, some red chilli, and a little bit of garlic. So we're just going to get those little bits and bobs ready. It doesn't have to be chopped finely or accurately. Right, we're going to add a tiny bit of garlic salt, some ground black pepper, tiny bit of Himalayan pink salt, and a few sprigs of fresh rosemary. Perfect. Right, we're just going to take our ingredients over to the stove now. Really quickly, we're going to get these fried up and ready to eat. Right, we're just going to get the heat under our pans here. I use non-stick pans, I find them a little bit easier to cook steaks with. And we're going to use just a touch of light olive oil. As I said, the pans are non-stick, so we don't need too much. First thing we're going to get in there is we're going to get the lamb in there, because that's going to take a little bit longer to cook than our veg, so we'll get that going first. Right, into the pan. Straight into the pan. If you fancy your lamb a little bit more flavoursome, I'd recommend you put just 1 more tablespoon of the marinade onto the lamb whilst it's in the pan. I'm going to do about 1.5, living on the edge today. My veg pan's nice and hot. I'm going to throw my asparagus in. I'm going to throw in my whole onion, my chilli and my garlic that's been chopped very, very roughly, and throw that all into the mix. Just want to heat it up and get it a nice char-grilled texture to it. There we go. Got a bit of a mix. Smells sensational. Whilst this is sizzling away here, I've got a really herby, deep, deep smell going through the room. Really, really meaty, and I really can't wait to tuck into these steaks. Just screams out MAHI, just screams out pleasure. Can't wait to eat it. And it looks like these steaks are just about done. I like them quite tender, not overcooked, so we're gonna go and plate up. Made by MAHI with love.